Hello guys, welcome to the GS1 answer writing. This is the second question from the GS1. This question is based on Harappan society, and we will learn something out of this. So keep watching this video. And the question says, how do archaeologists trace socio-economic differences in Harappan society? What are the differences that they notice? So let us start. Archaeologists use various archaeological and anthropological methods to uncover socioeconomic differences in ancient societies like Harappan civilization. These methods include studying burials, artifacts, architectural patterns which shed light on the socioeconomic stratification within the society. So how these burials, artifacts and architecture shows us socioeconomic differences that we will see. The question has been divided in two major parts. First is tracing the socio-economic differences, and the second is differences. What are the differences noticed? So first thing is burial practices. Examining the burial sites reveals variations in the treatment of the deceased based on the social status. Burial differentiation could include presence of grave goods. Grave goods means what are the goods that the various goods that placed with the deceased in the grave. Variations in the burial depth and the use of elaborate funerary structures. For example, we can take example for this. Intricately constructed graves means the man who buried was of higher social status. And different types of burial practices for individuals and group may suggest hierarchical distinctions. Lower strata and higher strata, right? Second difference is in material culture. By analyzing artifacts which provides insights into socioeconomic differences. First of all, the utilitarian artifacts means common items made from the local materials like pottery, simple tools were found throughout the settlements, indicating shared lifestyle. Some artifacts which are shared commonly across the sites that found in Pakistan and India. Second are luxury artifacts like precious objects made from the rare and non-local materials such as jewelry, pottery made from the faience metal indicate the elite status. So elite could afford these materials which were imported from the far distant site, and these artifacts include that presence of elites. Third important factor is archaeological differentiation. Variations in the architectural style and the sizes of the structure may reflect the social hierarchy, because the elite could afford building bigger structures as compared to those who are poor. Larger and more elaborately constructed structures may have been residences of the elite. Different types of buildings such as residential, storage or public spaces in settlement could indicate functional distinctions based on the social roles. What are the differences noticed? First of all, as said earlier, burial patterns. Elaborate burial practices with the grave goods, personal ornament and distinctive burial structures indicate higher social status, while simpler burials suggest lower status. Material possession, as said earlier, variations in the quality, craftsmanship and material of artifacts suggest that socioeconomic differences. For example, intricately designed jewelry versus utilitarian pottery. Intricately designed jewelry were designed for the elites, and utilitarian pottery is spread common across various sites. Settlement layouts. Different sector within the settlements could be designed for different socioeconomic groups, with elite residential area featuring more organized layout and luxurious artifacts. Access to the resources. Variations in the access to the resources like a high quality raw material for long distance trade items can signify economic disparities. Technological expertise. Production of complex artifacts and technologies might have been restricted to skilled individuals to a certain group, revealing a specialized role within the society. So in conclusion, we can say that archaeologists employ combination of techniques, so including study of burials, artifacts, architectural pattern, to uncover what was the socio-economic differences within the Harappan society. The presence of varied burial practices, distinct artifacts, and architectural stratification provides valuable insights into hierarchical structure, economic division that existed in the ancient civilization. So दोस्तों there are definitely one questions will be asked from the Harappan sites. So it is always important to cover this particular section from NCERTs and other material available to us. So hope you guys have understood this lecture or the question. If you like this, keep watching and keep subscribing. Thank you.